No.
That's on Amazon? Where you get that?
What's wrong now? What is it? Tell me what. Congratulations! Oh my God.
I think my nose ring is like pretty much healed now because the
You're done. You're done.
Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She
Don't bite me. Mama, she not home yet.
Drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They trap me.
Keon, can you pass me that spoon?
You know I can only go so fast.
Now, Roger.
Just for that, you're not getting the spoon.
But you know I need that spoon. You know I need that spoon.
Madagascar.
Two plus 2 equals 6. And let me tell you why it equals 6. Because look at this. There are 2 2's. So therefore there is an additional 2 that no one talks about because the government.
Like life's so fun, life's so fun. Got my mini skirt and my rollerblades on. Bag on my side cause I'm
Girl, I thought you were lactose intolerant. Yeah, I am. You know, it's really just like not that big of a deal though. Like the worst that'll happen is like I'll die.
Throwback to when Granny crashed the bed.
It's broken.
But a visit to the Krusty Krab makes everyone happy. And what could be better than serving up smiles?
Being dead.